ఎందరో మహానుభావులు ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనము ఎందరో మహానుభావులు. నమస్కారం, నమస్కార్, నమస్కారాలు and namaskara. Music is our breath, our blood, our soul. Can you imagine a world without music? Life would indeed be dull. Music is life. Music is an emotion to experience. This Malayalam song conveys the same message. ഒന്നാം രാഗം പാടി ഒന്നിനെ മാത്രം തേടി വന്നുവല്ലോ ഇന്നലെ നീ വടക്കും നാഥന്റെ മുൻപിൽ പാടുവതും രാഗമി തേടുവതും രാഗമായി ദേവനും അനുരാഗിയാം അമ്പലപ്രാവേ. Languages hardly matter as music speaks a universal language and music brings the world together and makes the world a happier place. Music is God, as this Tamil song says. பாட்டும் நானே பாவமும் நானே பாடும் உன்னை நான் பாட வைத்தேனே. Today is World Music Day. Let's celebrate the day, bring in the music, dance to the beats and sing in the melody. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे कोई टोह टोह ना लागे किस तरह गिर ये सुलझे. The Fine Arts Society extends its warm greetings on World Music Day to all the music enthusiasts around the world. We are proud to present to you messages from eminent artists on this occasion of World Music Day. Listening to their messages, we will fill your hearts with happiness as music is food for the soul. So here they come closer to you, to your homes, wishing you a happy World Music Day. We thank the artists from the bottom of our heart for taking time to wish the Rasikas. Happy listening, happy viewing. Let music give flight to your imagination and life to everything, for music is magic.
మాణిక్య వీణాం ఉపలాలయంతీం మదాలసాం మంచులవాగ్విలాసాం మాహేంద్ర నీలతుది కోమలాంకిం మాతంగ కన్యాం మనసా స్మరామి. వణక్కం, నమస్కారం, greetings to all. Wish you all a fantabulous World Music Day. On the 21st of June, on the solar solstice, when the sun is still and the day is long, the world has chosen to aptly celebrate the World Music Day. It was started as Fête de la Musique, Festival of Music, by the Minister of Culture of France, Mr. Jacques Lang, and a French music composer, Mr. Maurice Furet, in the year 1982, to nurture the world music community of amateurs and professional musicians and to offer music to all. I am proud and glad that Fine Arts Society have been undertaking this task for the last 5 decades and nourishing music and offering to all. Why celebrate music and have a World Music Day? Famous philosopher of ancient Greece, Mr. Plato, correctly said, music is the soul of universe, wings of mind, flight of imagination, and life of everything. Later, a German philosopher, Mr. Friedrich Nietzsche, said, without music, life is a mistake. We don't realize in our body, our heartbeat and breath is controlled by beat of music. Life is a part of everyday life. Music is part of everyday life. We are with music knowingly and unknowingly. The very prayer song, the first composition of Kavi Kalidasa, realizes God in the form of music. He starts with Manikya Veenam Upalalayantim Madalasam Manjula Vakvilasam. He says, Goddess who is joyfully, playfully playing the ruby studded veena, and with that music, she is intoxicated and lazy. Later, he says, to offer prayer to her, Jaya Sangeeta Rasige, the goddess, victory to the goddess who is the enjoyer of music, rejoicer of music. So music has been given a great importance, but not only India, globally. See, the Vishnu Sahasranama that we all recite practically every day says music is cure. The last stanza of Vishnu Sahasranama, it says, Ata Vishanna Sitilancha Bhita Kureshu cha Vyadishu cha Vardhamana Sangeeta Narayana Sabdamatram Vimukta Dukkha Sukhino Bhavantu. It says, for the sad, for the worried, for the broken, for the scared, people who are afraid, for severely ill, and for the badly affected people, cure is in singing the praise of Lord Narayana. The moment they sing the praise of Lord Narayana, all their ailment will get cured and they will be happy. It says, Sankirta Narayana Sabdamatre Vimukta Dukkha Sukhino Bhavantu. So music is been given such a large importance. Even chanting of God, they say sing it in the form of music. So music is soul of our life. Like the philosopher said, without music, life is a mistake. So I would like to conclude by saying, music is divine, worship it. Music is cure, relish it. Music is life, preserve it. Lastly, I would like to congratulate our President, Mr. Ramesh Ramamurthy, for organizing a wonderful event on this World Music Day, which you will all enjoy shortly. Enjoy the event. Have a wonderful World Music Day. God bless you all. Thank you very much. Thank you. Namaskar.
We've all managed to stay sane, healthy, and happy in spite of a pandemic. Did you ever think what could be the reason? I strongly believe the only reason is we were all united by one common thing, and that was music. We had music to be a therapy for us during this pandemic, and we've listened to so many things. In spite of our restrictions, we managed to have concerts through online. We managed to have musicians talk to us, to perform for us. So somehow we just try to maintain that okay, nothing is wrong and everything is going to be all right. So kind of it's more a healing thing that happened, and that happened only through music. So World Music Day, I don't know if you have celebrated it any other years, any other time, but this year we have to celebrate it in a very grand way, because music has taught us that music is the only way where we can stay calm, stay cool, and stay happy in spite of so many disharmonious things that may go around us. So I wish all the Rasikas and all the patrons and all the supporters of Fine Arts Society a very happy International Music Day. I hope music will keep uniting us, keep healing us, and there is more music to come.
Hi, this is Pankaj Udas and wishing all the music lovers of Fine Arts Society peace and happiness on World Music Day.
Namaskaram to all of you. I wish the President, the Executive Committee members and the Rasikas of Fine Arts Society a very happy International Music Day. I have such fond memories and such a long association with Fine Arts Society. Chembur itself conjures up such amazing thoughts and memories in my mind. I used to go there often to Diamond Garden, the Ahobila Mutt, stroll on the station road, go into all those little shops, have a little brunch at Yogi restaurant, then shop a little more, then go back to Annapurna's for a nice hearty meal. Oh, Chembur is really part of my growing up years. Also, I remember attending a memorable concert of the great flute T.R. Mahalingam at Chembur Fine Arts. We used to call it Chembur Fine Arts those days. It was just then that Chembur Fine Arts had been instituted. So the concert was in an open Maidan, I remember. And what a performance it was. All the founding members of Fine Arts were there, and where the organization has come in all these years thanks to the efforts of all of you. I have very, very deep memories of all of my association and my performances there. How often I have come and performed at Fine Arts Society and enjoyed the Rasikatvam of all the Rasikas of Fine Arts Society. So with fondest memories, thank you very much and all the best to all of you. Stay home and stay safe.
Hello and namaste everyone. June 21st is celebrated all over the world as World Music Day, and which is obviously a great and auspicious occasion for musicians like us. Since last 1.5 years, we all human beings on this planet are passing through this pandemic, which has led to stressful life. But even in this, classical music is one form of art which gives solace and relief from this stressful life. So on this occasion of World Music Day, I wish all the members, Rasikas, that is music lovers of the Fine Arts Society Chembur, thank you very much.
Krishna ni begane baro mukhavanna toro. Krishna ni begane baro. Rasikas of Fine Arts Sangita Sabha, a very happy world music to all of you, and I pray to Lord Krishna to make our lives normal again and we once again go to Fine Arts and enjoy the beautiful music and dance and drama evenings. God bless.
Namaskaram. This is Sudha Raghunathan here. I take this moment, this opportunity to wish our dear Rasikas of Fine Arts Society, Mumbai, a very, very, very happy World Music Day and Yoga Day on this day, the 21st of June 2021. I extend my wishes to the Board of Trustees of FAS and to the Executive Committee in action.
Hi, I'm Rajiv Menon. I would like to wish all the music lovers and patrons of the Fine Arts Society of Mumbai to have a great World Music Day. I think music is such an integral part of our lives, our culture, and our sense of well-being. And in these difficult times, it's the joy of listening when you're confined to your home to a great rag or to a great composition or to a great symphony that lifts your spirit. So may we all dedicate ourselves to this wondrous creation called music, which gives all of us such great joy, and to the members of Fine Arts Society of Mumbai, continue believing in music and spreading and creating a venue for so many great artists to perform in Mumbai. And my heart goes out to the organizers and everybody who's doing such a great job. Thanks a lot.
June 21st, International Day for Music. Do we really need a day for music? Don't we enjoy music daily? Yes, of course, we do enjoy music daily. But we need a moment wherein we pay obeisance to music and say, thank you, music, for being with us. I wish all the members of the Fine Arts Society Chembur a very, very happy International Music Day, 21st June.
Namaskar, this is Sudesh Bhosle. I wish all the music lovers and all the artists of Fine Arts Society peace and happiness on the World Music Day. Happy World Music Day to all of us, and let's keep spreading divine music all over the world. God bless you.
Hi friends, this is singer Unikrishnan, and it's wonderful to connect with all of you on this special day, the World Music Day. It's nice to wish all of you, especially the Rasikas and the music lovers of the Fine Arts Society. Music is the greatest gift that God has given mankind, and I'm sure in such challenging times, music has been a great companion, a solace and support for so many of us, and it's so wonderful to connect with all of you, and please take care and stay safe, and hope we will all be able to meet soon and perform. And especially for artists like us, we're just waiting to perform for all of you. So take care and lots of love.
Shri Guru Namaha. At the outset, I would like to thank Fine Arts Society Chembur for inviting me to greet musicians, music lovers, music students and music teachers from different parts of the world on this very special World Music Day. World Music Day itself started in the year 1982 in Paris, France. It was started by the Culture Minister, Jacques Lang, and Maurice Floret, who was a composer and a music journalist. And he was also an organizer. The main aim for starting this was to celebrate music, free music for all, and to encourage amateur musicians to share their works. It was an honor for amateur and professional musicians alike, and the performances, the free performances, are still happening annually in parks, stations, markets, museums, and every other public place that you can think of. And it's a celebration to bring together people and enjoy this day as a music day. And since then, 120 countries have been celebrating this special day as a music day. And with the pandemic, yes, in some places we may not be able to go in person and listen to the music, but musicians are today able to share their works globally through the virtual medium. I would at this juncture like to say that let's not only celebrate, but let's also, bring together world music for peace and harmony. And not only that, during this pandemic, so many musicians, apart from general public, have been hugely impacted financially, physically, and mentally. So let us use this opportunity to pray for them. And we have lost several lives, so let's also ensure that we dedicate this year's celebration towards all of them, and also to the cause of supporting those in need, not just the artist fraternity, but also others who do need our support and use music as a vehicle to heal people. And also thank all the, the health workers who have been working dedicatedly for and passionately, sacrificing their lives for many of us. So let us thank them as well and dedicate all our music works for the cause, which is a bigger cause on this day. Thank you again. Please enjoy another special World Music Day.
Namaskar. I wish all the music lovers and Rasikas of Chembur Fine Art Society, our own Fine Art Society, on World Music Day, I wish all of you peace, happiness on this difficult time of pandemic, and I also pray that we come out of this very soon. Enjoy this beautiful musical day which is celebrated as World Music Day. See you soon. Enjoy. Namaskar.
Hello to everyone at the Fine Arts Society on International Music Day. The universe, they say, started with the Big Bang, but so did world music of the Indo-Western kind. The collision in the 1960s of two huge music icons, Pandit Ravi Shankar from India and George Harrison of the Beatles from the West, was what first ignited the flame of world music. In the words of Pandit Ravi Shankar, I didn't know our music would cause such an explosion. Remembering this glorious moment in world music history with a song from their last album together, Chants of India. Accompanying me on the piano is eminent pianist Merlin D'Souza. So let's listen to Prabhuji. प्रभु जी दया करो, प्रभु जी दया करो, मन में आन बसो, मन में आन बसो, प्रभु जी दया करो, मन में आन बसो तुम बिना लागे सुना, तुम बिना लागे सुना, खाली घट में प्रेम भरो प्रभु जी। तंत्र मंत्र पूजा नहीं जानो, तंत्र मंत्र पूजा नहीं जानो, मैं तो केवल तुमको ही मानूं, मैं तो केवल तुमको ही मानूं, सारे जग में ढूंढा तुमको, अब तो आकर बाह धरो, हे प्रभु जी, प्रभु जी, प्रभु जी।
Namaskaram. This is Sikil Mala Chandrasekhar wishing all the Rasikas of the Fine Arts Society Chembur and music lovers in the world on World Music Day with peace and happiness. In these pandemic times, I sincerely appreciate the efforts taken by the Fine Arts Society in creating an opportunity for imparting our musical knowledge to the students through the electronic media and online concerts. Hopefully, by next year, this ends and we would all be able to directly interact with the Rasikas through concert platforms. Stay safe, maintain social distancing, wear masks. May all people in this world be happy and prosperous. Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. Happy World Music Day.
Namaskar, this is Shankar Mahadevan. I have been associated with the Fine Arts Society Chembur since my childhood. And I have had some amazing memories with this wonderful organization. On this World Music Day, I'd like to wish all the Rasikas of the Fine Arts Society all the very best. Lots of peace and love and prosperity. Stay home, stay safe, and wishing all of y'all a very, very happy World Music Day. God bless.
Namaskaram. Music is one of the most precious gifts that has been bestowed on humanity. On this World Music Day, let us all pray and hope that music heals the world very soon, brings us all together with peace, harmony, and abundant joy. Wishing all the Rasikas of Fine Arts Society Chembur and all music Rasikas all over the world a very happy World Music Day. Namaskar.
Namaskaram. I am Nityashri Mahadevan, wishing the Rasikas and music lovers of the Fine Arts Society melodious music, peace and happiness on this occasion of World Music Day. Thank you.
கலைகள் கற்கவும் கற்பனை செய்யவும் காலம் கடவாமல் கருத்தை திருத்தவும் உலகிலே நல்ல உண்மைகள் பேசவும் உலகிலே நல்ல உண்மைகள் பேசவும் உன்னை நினைக்கவும் உறுதியாய் வாழவும் அருள வேண்டும் தாயே அங்கையர் கண்ணீரியே அருள வேண்டும் தாயே தாயே Namaste. This is Gayatri Girish, wishing all the members and Rasikas of Fine Arts Society Chembur all peace and happiness on the World Music Day. Namaste.
Namaskar to everyone. When I talk about Chembur Fine Arts, all the fond memories coming to my mind. My first performance for them was in the year 1991, and ever since then I've had many performances at the Fine Arts Society, and very fond memories from all of these performances. On this Day of World Music, I would like to wish all the music lovers of Chembur Fine Arts and Mumbai a very happy World Music Day. Music has brought a lot of solace and happiness, especially during these pandemic times. And I do hope that we all come out of this very quickly and successfully. And I also hope that I would come back to the Fine Arts Society and perform for you once again. Wishing you all a very happy World Music Day. Do stay safe.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं कैलाश खेर। फाइन आर्ट्स सोसाइटी के लिए संगीत दिवस पर, योग दिवस पर मैं बताना चाहता हूं, संगीत और योग एक दूसरे के पूरक हैं। योग ही संगीत है, संगीत ही योग है। दोनों सर्जना के स्रोत हैं। हमारी उत्पत्ति, हमारे उद्भव का निमित्त भी संगीत और योग है। योग हमें ईश्वर से जोड़ता है। योग हमारी प्रार्थना, हमारी स्तुति, हमारी आराधना का मुख्य चैनल है। और संगीत मेरे ईश्वर से एक तार जोड़ने का, एकत्व करने का एक माध्यम है। हे मेरे ईश्वर, कितना सौभाग्य है, कितना बड़ा संयोग है। 21 जून एक दिन को योग दिवस भी है, संगीत दिवस भी है। फाइन आर्ट्स सोसाइटी की ओर से जितने भी उसके अनुकरण करने वाले लोग हैं, यानी जितने भी फॉलोअर्स हैं, उन सबको योग दिवस की भी, संगीत दिवस की भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं। मैं कैलाश खेर आप सबसे निवेदन करता हूं, अपने बड़ों का, अपनों का ख्याल रखिए, अपना ख्याल रखिए, क्योंकि आज के युग में जो अपना ख्याल रखें वो ईश्वर का ख्याल रखेंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि हम कहते हैं कि मुझ में ही परमात्मा बसे हैं, तुझ में ही परमात्मा बसे हैं। तेरी काया नगर में राम राम, तू जंगल जंगल क्या ढूंढे, तेरे रोम रोम में शिवो शिवो, तू पत्थर में सर क्यों मारे। हरिओम।
Namaskar Adab. Here's wishing all the members of the Fine Art Society a very happy World Music Day. I'm really looking forward in good times to come and perform for all of you very soon.
Namaste everyone, my name is Sikil Gurucharan and I would like to wish all the Rasikas of Fine Arts Society Chembur plus the music lovers all over the world a very very happy World Music Day. And I sincerely pray and hope that this will be the last World Music Day that we celebrate within these four walls, living in fear of the pandemic outside and covered with masks everywhere. And I hope the next time we meet for World Music Day, it will be in the physical world, in a happy state of mind. Here's wishing a lot of peace and happiness to spread all over the world, and let us come out of this pandemic together and emerge stronger on the other side. Namaste, stay safe, and thank you.
Namaskar, this is Ayan Ali Bangash, wishing all the music lovers of Fine Arts Society a very happy World Music Day. May music bring peace, happiness, joy and prosperity into your lives every day.
Hi, Namaste. This is Mandalini Rajesh, wishing all the Rasikas of Fine Arts Society a very happy World Music Day. Namaste.
wishing all the Rasikas of Chembur Fine Arts Society a very happy World Music Day. Let's all spread peace and happiness. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu.
Asato ma sadgamaya, asato ma sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityot ma amrito gamaya, mrityot ma amrito gamaya. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. On behalf of the one and only Chembur Fine Arts Society, I wish all Rasikas a very happy, peaceful, safe and healthy World Music Day.
Happy World Music Day to all the members of the Fine Arts Society Chembur and Rasikas of music world over. To quote Jane Austen, "Without music, life would be a blank to me." Without music, life would have drawn a blank to most of us during this pandemic. Music has been a panacea to the soul. Let's all celebrate this unifying force, music, and enjoy the bliss that it gives us. Happy World Music Day, everybody.
Hello everyone, I am Ojas Setia, wishing all the music lovers of Fine Arts Society a very, very happy World Music Day. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay musical. Lots of love. Thank you.
Namaste, Vanakkam, this is Sri Krishna Mohan of Trichur Brothers. Wishing you all a wonderful, wonderful World Music Day. We really look forward to see you all at Mumbai at Chembur Fine Arts as soon as the Almighty wills, and it will be a great reunion for sure. Looking forward to that and wishing you a great, great many years ahead. Thank you.
Namaskaram, I'm Sandeep Narayan, and I just want to take this opportunity to wish all the Rasikas of Fine Arts Society a wonderful, safe and enjoyable World Music Day. I know this is the second year that we're celebrating this only virtually, but I hope that we'll all be back together very soon. Thank you.
Namaskaram, this is Vidya Kalyanaraman. I hope all of you and your families are doing fine and staying safe. In these uncertain times, music has definitely been one of the things that has been helping us immensely to keep our minds calm, to pray, to relax, to enjoy and whatnot. So on the occasion of World Music Day, I would like to wish all the Rasikas of the Fine Arts Society lots and lots of happiness and peace. Do take care all of you. Please stay home, stay safe and listen to lots of music. Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. I am Palakkad Ramprasad. I am extremely happy to take this opportunity to wish every one of you, be it artist, Rasika, organizer and each and every one of you in the musical fraternity, a very happy and a peaceful World Music Day. I specifically thank the Fine Arts Society for coming up with this initiative of connecting the artists and the Rasikas and virtually meet. Thank you so much, and I hope and pray that the pandemic ends pretty soon and we are able to connect and interact live as we used to do before pre-pandemic. Namaskaram.
Gandhi Mahatma Kattalai Aduve, Gandhi Mahatma Kattalai Aduve, Karunai Otrumai Kadiruli Paravi, Karunai Otrumai Kadiruli Paravi. நிலவர் வேண்டும். ஆத்மசக்தி ஓங்க வேண்டும். உலகிலே சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும். Namaskaram. This is Suchitra Balasubramanian, Carnatic vocalist and Harikatha artist, wishing the Rasikas of the Fine Arts Society peace and happiness on this World Music Day. Namaskaram.
Namaskarams to one and all. This is Vishnudev KS, wishing the Rasikas of Fine Arts Society a happy World Music Day. The world needs a lot of healing these days, and let's all celebrate music because music certainly heals. Once again, happy World Music Day to all of you. Thanks.
Namaskaram. This is Jayant, flautist from Chennai. I would like to wish all the Rasikas and members of the Fine Arts Society, Chembur, all the peace and happiness on this World Music Day. Thank you.
Nada Tanumanisham Shankaram. Namaskarams. Wishing all the Rasikas of Fine Arts Society peace, well-being and good health on the occasion of World Music Day.
मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा। सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से, सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बहते सागर में मिले। बादलों का रूप लेकर, बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के। मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा। सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बहते सागर में मिले। बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के। मिले सुर में